Join us today as we visit one of the highest jungle-themed rooftop bars in Bangkok that looks like it's straight out of the Avatar movie. We'll be trying out their famous yuzu colada drink and getting 360 panoramic views of the city.
I'm really glad that we took the BTS train today because sitting in all this traffic
That's what I was thinking.
would not have been fun, right? Oh.
Wow! Look at the building! Is that the same one we're looking at?
Yeah.
Oh, I love like it's like a, what do you call it? A Lego, like a Tetris.
The way it's spiraling, right?
Ooh, wow, it looks so nice from the outside.
Alright, let's get a little closer.
Yeah, let's go.
Apparently there seems to be a connector from the BTS line over to the building, so we're gonna go check that out.
Apparently it connects.
Yeah.
Kind of cool.
I guess we could have walked the bottom, but we decided to do the skywalk. It's nice. We got to experience a little bit a different area of the building and then down the escalator, and let's go find out where the elevators are.
So as soon as you enter, if you just enter through the street, you're just gonna go walk straight down, and the Tichuca sign is on the right side.
Yeah.
So you're just gonna go straight down and make a right. But the standing is, we should just go to do the standing, right?
Sure.
Standing, you can go now. You can find random seat at 4750. ID check, please. ID check. Sure.
You get a sticker?
Yeah, you get a sticker too.
They're coming out.
So I'm assuming I just press this.
Yes, 45 and 46. I would have to say the 40 floors going up 40 floors was so fast.
There's a breeze.
It was a breeze, yeah. It took about what, half a minute?
And we got these cool stickers that say Tichuca.
Because we're officially
Tichucans. I wasn't aware that you can make reservations online. So if you guys are coming, I would recommend that you make reservations online so you can have kind of reserved tables. Or you're going to be in a queue if you get here. It's like super windy up here. Nice. Well,
at least we're getting some fresh air, right?
yes.
It's no surprise that there are jellyfishes here.
Oh yeah, it's so cool. I can't wait for it to light up.
We're totally getting destroyed up here.
It is super windy.
Yeah.
Lots of, I guess you can see lots of people already here.
Yeah.
So actually tables are full, and we can go take a seat up to the second and the third levels if we want. So I think we're gonna make our way up there right
Yeah. First impression of the place, super chill vibe.
Yeah.
The staff are very friendly.
Yes.
And just post at a different spot just to help you out. Any questions, any requests, anything like that. So yeah. First impressions are good. Tichuca.
It is nicer from up here. Yeah.
Anyways, we're making our way up top after the sun has set.
Yes. Oh, and I wanted to add here, kind of did a little research. Tichuca actually means tea comes from the national park of Tichuca in Brazil.
Yeah.
And Tichuca, tea, actually tea, right? And then Tichuca means mezcal. So like fun parties.
Yeah.
So together
It's a jungle fun party in the jungle.
Yes. Yeah, it's a beautiful jungle themed. I really love that it's pretty casual, that you don't really have to dress up if you don't have the right attire if you're
Yeah.
full-time traveling
Yeah.
like us. But it was nice.
Yeah.
You can dress up as much as you want, or you can dress down. People are also here in like slippers and stuff and shorts. So that's cool.
At least they're not as strict as some other bars, rooftop bars.
Yeah.
We gotta really be formal and have a button-up shirt and all that.
And I think we're gonna go hopefully get a mocktail. We don't drink, so we're gonna get either a mocktail or maybe some fries. Hopefully, at least kind of experience the rooftop bar.
Can never say no to fries.
Potato head.
Guess we gotta make our way onto the third floor. So 3 stories. Yeah.
Let's go.
What to what?
I mean, the views are stunning. It's just beautiful. Like this is a city that really lights up, and the nightlife in Bangkok is just amazing.
Yeah. Just endless miles of skyline. Right?
Yes, this is well worth it.
Yeah. All right, making our way up to the 3rd floor because it's this 3-story jungle theme, avatar looking rooftop bar. Wow. Got people up here as well.
Just the skyline is incredible. If you are a photographer, actually, this is a really nice rooftop bar to come to. You see the skyline right in front of me. It's just so incredible. Wow. Thank you for the light. Helps. Woo. Goodness.
They got their own bar on the very top.
Yeah, so actually there's 3 bars.
Yeah.
First, second, and third. So you don't necessarily have to go on the really slow lift that they have.
Yeah.
So it's recommended that you just climb up and down the stairs, and you'll get up and down in a breeze. And also you don't have to carry your drinks up and down.
Yeah.
So on whichever floor you're on, it's very convenient. You could just get your drinks over there.
360 panoramic views of the entire city. This rooftop bar gives you the best views out of the ones that we visited. So yeah, would highly recommend this. We're gonna make our way down, get some drinks, just take in the ambience, because that's what we're here for. We're gonna take the elevator down, the slow elevator, so let's go.
It's nice. Earlier, all these strings, all the LED lights were kind of like warm. We had reds, oranges, a few like pinks. Right now, it's kind of like the cooler theme where you see a lot of aquas, blues, greens. I guess a little bit of purple in there, magenta. Looks so pretty. I know people call this like a tree, but to me, it looks like a giant-sized jellyfish.
Yeah.
With like huge tentacles just flowing in the wind. I love it.
I really like the optic, is it the optic wire or fiber optic that glows at the very tip of it? It looks so nice. Yeah.
So pretty.
I really like the slow elevator actually.
Okay, he's enjoying
Gives
it.
you the nicest views. Like,
I think
as
you
it,
know
as
what?
it makes its way
I
down.
feel like they did it on purpose, just so you can enjoy the view as you're coming down. Right?
Yeah.
Never thought about that.
Yeah.
Since we have seats now, and we don't want them to get swooped up by
Yeah.
somebody else, Waseem is gonna go get us something on the menu.
Let's see. I've been seeing that pineapple drink.
Yeah, it's
More
like a pina colada.
Yeah.
Uh,
Everybody's carrying it around.
like
so,
everyone has
yeah.
it. I probably want to try something different, only because everyone else has that pineapple drink.
Hey, we'll see. Yeah.
Yeah.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
So
What do you want ครับ We have the any mocktail
Oh, you can turn it. Oh, these are.
I recommend to use Sukhumvit that is the best seller the most popular in this here
I've gotten my passion fruit gimlet, and Waseem has got his yuzu colada
They ran out of pineapples, so he gets it in a glass. But they're both virgin cocktails, so we're happy about that. And we also got the Tichuca fries. So I'm excited to try these. They look really good. Let's dig in. Let's see.
Dig in before the fries get cold.
Yeah.
Due to copyright music playing, we decided to mute this video, but we tried out the Tichuca fries, which was really good paired with the garlic ranch sauce that they had. Waseem tried his yuzu colada, which was a hit. With lemon and hints of pineapple, it was a refreshing drink well worth getting. I tried my passion for gimlet, which beautifully came decorated with a lemon and a flower. With a nice fizz added to the drink, it was also a great choice. Our favorite though were the Tichuca fries. Thank you so much for joining us this evening here at the Tichuca Rooftop Bar. If you guys are ever in Bangkok and want to visit a rooftop bar, we would highly recommend this one.
Yeah, we're gonna go grab dinner now. Hope you guys liked the video. And remember guys, wherever you go,
Don't forget to like.
we'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't.
Scary.
Station Tichuca.